In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by holding your Motorola's display and clicking on one of those themes under Themes section. As you can see, after that, mine was successfully applied. If you wish to change something about this theme, you can also hold your device's display again and tap on Personalize at the bottom. Then hit Themes over here, and instead of picking any of those, use this plus at the top right corner. Then design your own theme. Firstly, pick a wallpaper. You can always change it later on for something more interesting. Then font style, color theme, maybe this one, icon shape, name your theme at the top, and then hit save at the bottom. To apply your new theme, click on it. To make some changes, tap on this pen at the top right corner, change wherever you want to, and hit save. Then tap on your theme again. If you want to get rid of it, go back to the same settings and tap on this pin at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up and apply a different theme. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!